Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So we are continuing our topic here for fractions and we have a word problem here. So Kary has 4 jars. Each jar can hold 3 whole and a 2 by 3 liters of juice. How much juice does Kary have? That means it's simple multiplication of the fraction because Kary has 4 jars and each jar contains 3 whole and 2 by 3 liters, right? And we learned that how to make it a improper fraction. 3 3 is 9 plus 2, right? So it becomes 11 over 3. And then you need to multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with the denominator, because here we are supposing 1, so it gives you 44 divided by 3, and when you divide it, it gives you in decimal 14.6 liters, right? So it was a word problem which says Kary has 4 jars. Each jar can hold 3 and a 2 by 3 liter of juice. Now, second part. This is your part A. B part, if Kary has 4 full jar and 1 half filled jar of juice. Now she has got 4 full and 1 half jar of juice. How much juice now Kary has? Each jar still holds 3 whole and 2 by 3 liters. So this time, part B. So what each jar can hold? 3 whole and a 2 by 3 liters. So how many jars she has? Now this time she has 4.5 jar. Right? Now you have to multiply and make it an improper fraction. Right? So we learned this already. 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 over 3 times 2 4 is 8 plus 1. So 9 over 2. And then you cut 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. You have 33 divided by 3 3 is 9, 33 divided by 2. And 33 divided by 2 means 16.5 liter. So she has 16.5 liter juice. So Kary has 16.5 liter of juice, right? Answer. So now C part. How many cups can all of the juice fill 3 by 8 liter of glass? If you want to fill up 3 by 8 liter of glass, how many glass she can have, right? So how much juice she has? 16.5 liter. 16.5 liter of juice, right? And she has to fill what? 3 by 8 liter of glass. So you have to divide how many glasses she can make. So now you have to do the same thing, improper fraction times addition. 16 times 2 is 32 plus 1 is 33 divided by 2 divided by 3 by 8. And we learn that if we flip this thing, then we have to have the multiplication sign. So 33 divided by 2 times 8 over 3. And then you cut 3 1 is 3, 3 11 is 33, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. So you have 44. So she can fill up 44 cups or glasses, right? 44 glass she can fill. Or the whole juice can fill up 44 glasses. She can fill, right? 44 glasses she can fill with that amount of, with this amount of juice she has, right? So this is how we solve the fraction word problem. Another problem sometimes asked is if we have a bag of 1 and a, so another question, question number 2. If Kary has a bag of 1 by 4 kg, bag of apples, which weighs 1 by 4 kg, right? And there are 5 apples in a bag. there are 5 apples in a bag. There are 5 apples in a bag. So this time, now question is asking how heavy is an apple on average? How heavy an apple, how heavy an apple, right, on an average? So there are 5 apples, right? And what is the weight? Weight is 1 and a 1/4 kg of that bag, right? So we will do this question in green so that you can distinguish between the two questions. So there are 1 and a 1/4 kg bag, right, of apples. And there are 5 apples. So what is the question? How heavy? What is the weight of an apple, right? So you have to divide to get the weight. So you will say 1 and a 1/4 kg of the bag divided by 5. And you know how to divide. So first we turn the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we'll say 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 4 divided by 5. And we learn that if this division is there, we can convert this division into multiplication if we flip the second term, right, the divisor. So we have to flip this into 1 over 5, and then we turn out this division as multiplication. So if you flip the divisor or the second term, then we can put the multiplication sign. So now you can simplify the equation or the fractions. 5 cancel with 5. So 1 over 4 kg. So each apple weighs 1 over 4 kg. Answer. And you will explain in writing as well that each apple weighs 1/4 kg, right? So this is some kind of practice for fractions and how to divide and how to multiply. So we can have another class for this practice, how to multiply and divide the fractions. But these were the 2 word problems. So we solved them for you. And just repeat this and the previous example for the fractions. Hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button. Thank you for watching.